Awinja dia chwala mot bode tiena tinini ya jole ya mut melebla Unity FM chak wigadiro tie kid magim. When Komo Chad will Melan to care game Uganda National Chamber of Commerce and Industries uti kwa government mele Uganda kan na me poto yiga me Tanzania tikede me chako gengo kocho rock ilaro chatu wilo katetino kedo nywale melobo. Nywal logo me light vocational SS umonyo lera City West Police Station no pongo liere kompolichi mero gonyo kocho tino piere ngwene megino make kuna cha pita mutugu jeme di chukul. Acho tino kwan me chukul COTN marani honors ametien na lera City West Division no chako tikile luangi me yeko gina me yobo porro luang fertilizer. Ya mutu chale Chief Executive Officer Dokaran Pitimu Dilme Northern Gateway tiko weko tijo kocha tura tini acho President Melobo Ivory Coast Alisana Otara memo hapira boru wia dektual doko nyuru mirimen mechungu kocha pidoke komerem magi keden kana winjidi akati yore nya bedo rolik za kena gwal Won Komo Chad will mela itedul me Uganda National Chamber of Commerce and Industries utiko kwa government Melobo Uganda me poto yeka melobo Tanzania okatu kede me chako gengo kochuro kila chatu wiloga titino kede nywale melobo gikuna jam government melobo Tanzania ni be minister me chumma kede chatu wil woro bino kera gengo koche komjoame pe obere nywale melobo gikuna chai donye chatu wiloga titino bare yabu saloon yabu duki me wholesale bar kubu chatu wil nyobera chat yamo bomo broker yabu kayubu chim radio TV wilo nyikchem yakino chalo ekineno chalem lo kere radio Unity FM Morris Chris ngam chwako docho kere tama melobo Tanzania okatu kere ni pina nube bero nywale gubere tie kere ye korwa melonyo ge eno koni manu biri yore chelle me oromo gwako kere nywale melobo e kom jwame yae lobo ahoeka o to binu mayo chatu welo kocho dagdang kao tia man binu meyo nywale melobo Uganda ero bedi chende chao ge ngamo ko binu jwame bini yoko mir bin ka me medo roma jaminyo value addition ento pedong melaro tin chatu welo gatitino kere nywale melobo kun kwao kere memma me od moko chike Uganda kan kero tele roma popat me yama lo pina numanero ukonyo koro nywalege atodia kodi yeka Tanzania tie kere ne dang bedo ko Uganda kan pe konyo koro teder me Uganda baginang bed kede chente chawge eno kodi kaman potiye pino me yubero tetek tutwal me nywale Uganda kan inwongo chente ame konyo gi tiyu jama popat Achokono Paulo Mara de come lonyo melobo dok MP me oture obinote robota chojban mano chika melobo Uganda o komne chika melobo Tanzania tiyo kero ko tichin lobo Uganda dang tiye kere megi ber mechel ento pero ka tiye butu nywale mo melobo Uganda kan me ya ta konyo dokor kor jam bini yako me tiyu jamme atoro kachik Mia pore ko minister John me kope pacho le general ronda nya kairema amobino tamo meriam ko jo yine kero Pakistani jo mago to bino churri ko me to tolni manono tete mobal meriam nywale mago me lobe aho amino te chatu wel na ko charo na ware te duka jo mago no tete du na ka chapat Kampala me man ono don per water wara kirgina me jo ame ya lo ba ho ono mir binti ilo Uganda kan Acho oda melobo Tanzania okatu kerene chimuni manono anywale moro ke kan melobo Tanzania kuna ya mo birinu manono tia konyo kora rock me chat wele pepeny ame no pe government ya ngayo obirina ni mano makanywale no e ka ro twalo kwatir nyimchik we katodia rutwe yokocho pibere ngata metia ngalo don melobo na cham piman kono mara bino kwajo ame twero ti chingi me yamalo we koto konyo kora nywale melobo Uganda e ching jwame yae lo bao Onyual logo me school light vocational lessons utiro monyelera City West Police Station e otopongo liere kompolichi mero gonyo kocho tino piera ngwana mno kumako pitugu jemi di chukul mano timere tuticha wa ngwen me dikatini ni karmo nyual lagim me welgino karpier deko kocho bino kuberi ya kinagi ka to wot ginni komgi nake polichi pi yanyo yo tino ge ama makacham bichar me chabeto karo pi adot me tugu jemo me obalo jemo pola chukul lo kere kere chojwe dikal melira City ilokere kede chojwa di kalme lira City West Central Police Station anywala chel na me loka ka anywala chel Joseph Aliech ukobini manno puot pe onyang atwale kakana me gorbe de tie yaramo mio jamo binu tije chukul me light vocational secondary pian no lajme chukul pe o mio ginga chatwale ikomwano tiati yem Aliech ukobini manno luorge duong atiene manno tenoge amaro keng peny metemere pe koro penya ditamo bomo mok ameti do wara nyime chawane ne chukula papat pien policio to makoge okacho aleleng dang pe otia kobige ngwati ati yatirate e komoti na magem
so wanata moni kada kana wanu ni gorti wana chalo nyan mirbet kere kare belok kere utino belok kere ponye belok kere tela me school bawe kuriginu petie yen kuriginu ka utie ma shel ti utina me no mer chak pen wor mai chokio erugin pero chako pen biginu tieni wano nyual korichawa wano tio balo me bini police kanen tijama polo numero wano tio edo poro uti
manana nyual me ono tia lokere chojwa e kakana me no gino woro le me tino ge e polici ka wote ngeyo ngwa me oti yatirati ama otetunu kene na hemakotino magem e karame polici Melira City West Central Police Station onyang duro kere wonyual mage adidwi polici Melira City West Police Station Cosmas Etadio obino luo chokere me yo trale yakino tala me chukul senior light vocational le kere nyualge bakoten Europor metie ko waman e chokere ni Cosmas Etadio obino kwa chunyual mage ameonu tiu kognimano chukul pe omi ogongea mahama tije komotino ginen benimano gino beru winya kani ani ni mano tena maram pirangman me light vocational uno kutiko mako kocho e polici pitu gujemo kunacha kuneno beru ka kweyo chunje kun komni mano polici binu tieko jama me hotel nyimge
the students to jump. No, you people, let me tell you, there are some things you don't look. Yesterday I told you that first of all, they did their part. Protocol is one of the solutions to see with that all students are aware at school. Are you getting? And it is out of this that they discovered that your students were not aware at school. The school is the complainant. Their property has been damaged.
Achokone lokere kerenyo alle karame chokramini won com board Melite Vocational Secondary School Thomas Jefferson Balim ubinu yeni manene karame magonin ginne po binu bedi karame dun kubere kerenyo al duchu achalo duonga chimge po bedi danyo bale mo komni manene mirge attacker wakti ni manene nyale tinu pirang man mage birunen wor chukule ko komge mewa ko to bedi kare menen jamme me otino ge obabalo kiri kirango me gino romani ayre kidi chukul me kwa ko chulu jamme mage ma balene
luteno pirang wen mago timo balli alego no nyal ge gobin gen ngayo no teno ge begin ngayo be nying no teno ge pedara wachu kan dana foyo atamane wono be winya obino bene ci wateno kwat ka chen minen ni wara nyim school wara nyim wan bono bero ka chen tin enini no teno wa lutino ni bene kerbe lo teno pagamente so wabe bero ka chen minen ni watiu ka chen neno bebero paroteno wa school kere punye ge wara nyim
man chokere binu mokni mano nyalo tino pirangmen mage otala me chukul light vocational la kede polici binu bedo peny chien dek me burudwe bichel du me bor mohman ne chukul light vocational kunacha wakotene ni yorabe metie ko kopim choro DPC Melira City West Central Police Station Cosmas Etadio oto binu gonyo tino pirangmen mago koche ite jikame police bond kun no nyalge ena yo chungi ge achalo chaden ne pi tutuno kache okoro kede chokere duong me chukulu tiko yeko metie ko kormanim itung bodge oteno kwan me chukul COTN Marani Honors High School metia na Melira City West Division o chako do tikere luange me yeko gina chama porro obomo fertilizer project man me agritech feeds master ame o chakere mo hatutari pirwangwen oteno mage be chwaki ya bot Stanbic Bank utio petu luange mo lo black soldier flies ame o yobo ke fertilizer man mo me rubu chem gwen ame obeo e kom tong luange ame o lokere do ko kude nyo lava stage kadi kede nyi kude nyo lava stage ame chala kede ngwen tuo e auto peto kede gwen ame mio gwen pura kino e kauto beda pack mechel Philips Opio atin kwan me chini ya bichal ko bini manano obino yera chukul me COTN amenu ngagam mi kom yore mor me gwako kana morumulwak ibeo emiyo gi kirme rayo pokchem ame jo bobola tata chalo yugi e kato loko dum doko gina me luangi romo chamu e ka chenere teme luangi dong nyal e ka luangi ni doctor beru gina me cham romo peto gwen kiri jama popat ameno gino tio peto achalo project.
So we had to do research on how to rear the levy, the protein concentrates, and what else can we get from this. We found out that from this larvae alone, if we dry them, we can press them and it will produce oil. This oil also contains amino acids that you can use it as supplement for your piggery feeds. You can mix it with your piggery feeds. It will help in the digestive tract. We also, another thing we found out it was just dry worms. The larvae, the worms. Yeah. If you dry them, you can feed it to your fish, pigs, even cattle. That was a good protein source. Then also another thing we saw that we could extract from the larvae was something called flax. Once we have extracted the oil and there will be remaining crumbles, we could grind it down to fine powder. Then this powder you can apply it just at the base of maybe your tomatoes, your carrots, the cabbages. They are really good fertilizer.
Itung bore kono again road Priscilla Brick. Aten kwan me senior ngwen COTN Mariona so to binu mono project me gino chahonin tieme me yagam ekom kop me chanti cheme kom karni tio rodo bula technical eno ko binu na chalo jo ame do le mo ngecho kocho binu dok pacho ke yunge penyere ka to me dekre yiku jama me gindo ngunu ngechene pe konyo jo ekin pacho.
As per me, I think this is really a workable project and it doesn't need any education, though the oil extraction needs a bit of knowledge, but other products like the dry concentrates and the fresh worms, anyone can do it. What you need is just organic waste from the compound. What do I mean by this? You collect the cabbage peelings, cassava peelings. These are wastes, we get them everywhere in our nearby markets, and from that we get black soil. This black soldier fly is available anywhere. You can go to any agricultural research site. I think we have one in Lira recently. They opened that in Lira, and another one is Kawanda. You can get the egg and you bring it, just buy a nest, put them in, put the organic waste, and this is also trying to conserve the environment as
Pinyanga tutut dano romu wara shukul wa kotino magito ponye chukono Nixon wa ponye maobedo konyo koro tino magime COTN negero ngech ma project ni ukomni manano konye me otino bino me bolwak abere duong mechel.
So kayini mi ogweno mere don lo gwena mo chamo jamo chara do hani don yo pien mo dwe. So mi watamo manunu pien belo no kitama pur wa yele keri ishalo menu ngo jame pito kwen pono rech amomi polgi peramo pito ko jambini e watamo pelo keri gino ra moro tikiri jama meti yakina wa bala luongo bero gina ti yakina wa mako giretek eto wano nuo kana me jodo go hote yoto welo to kelo kan wo hobedi kar me konyo purwa meyo ge jama meramo pito le yigini gina onungi ni siente otam no keri wi otino wani pino tino wani duongo bero tino me yai shalo dan duongo bero tino pur eto ka opunyo gi keri ngechiene gina otero pashu kuno no bino konyo gwen ngo siente moro no school fees welo book keralam.
Ibore kono Catherine Sayo ku project man nete Stanbic Bank Limited do bino ko bino no chichok percent Pierre Bor me nywalle melo Uganda ichawani no bidu bulo to mwakadicho otina Paul tiete ko kwange ikaponyera popat edo tigi petiem en ko bino Stanbic Bank o tiko donya meme je chwaka bot jukul ko to chako gero ngechi wi otino chon project te beratia Paul ma otino romo tijo ka geno ticho pichi en meri no kwanye jukula Rio region chel meo cho project amwanya ginong otame yuchende yare atitidi weko to chako tiyo ko project achalma game.
So for the startup capital, before they progress into the grand finale, we give each project 500,000 shillings. And then when they progress to the grand finale, the first winner, the overall winner of the 8 schools, wins 20 million shillings. That means the school takes 20 million Ugandan shillings, and the patron teacher also gets some pocket money of about 1 million or something. And then the students, the participating students in the project, each gets a laptop. That's for the overall winner. And then for the second winner, the school gets a water system worth 10 million shillings. And last year it was Abia Seed SS in Lango region, in Aleptong. Yes. And then the third school, they get scholastic materials worth 3 million shillings. So it's a golden opportunity. So for me, it's just to call upon all the community members. Let's all be each brother's keeper and ensure that all schools participate.
Ita yi haman na menoko PMA Uganda loro ita yi hotel National Schools Championship ame otuma chochokem chukul COTN marni hona zana obinubere na madek yunge menta SS kede Komboni College ena ye obinulanya lanya ila regional loro binuwere weo ekatu duogo tie kamut ame tie Unity FM.
Chawa tell me itieno ichawa nido itikere government mujoma pol kede momo di sta chela bishela beach ash onyo iti kede up me momo mewe kitimo chol kwa yuchene investing kede jomo kena dong polata
Iyamut Meturo Chief Executive Officer Dokaran Nemetimu Dilo me Northern Gateway Francis Ugama Wany weko tichero kocha tura dikatini ne yuge mwokia mekara deko kocha meyon birotelo kiti man me notia gwayo dil Roma Malonim warga mere birotela kire chwak timu dil me Northern Gateway Francis Ugama Wany ukobini manono ene weko tichero kocha CEO kira ran me timu dil man achala duge me jame mago me odia taka ikom karatinin me weko endo no peti kire chawa Roma me mede telo timu dilo cho ikara me chojwa goye chim me moka tetena warga man no gama ko ni manno enu etie kretam me weko timu dil me Northern Gateway mwaka okaro ento wore mera to binimbe de yu chunye me koro kitame ikore me tudare piro angwen re piro beach unu atum kede eno me to kanya kino tunu na hano ikara tininen.
No, initially we had agreed new to Okata make a can cap or car now get to Koleba, yellow on your Okata no car. Since we do not qualify, we cannot keep wasting money, my dear. I can't. Ask me, I can't. Cut your can here, yes, they can go ahead. Because it's too much. You play and you get nothing. Like now, when you pay Johnny, get you on your job and get. But yet for this new financial year, season and 6 to 8 million. Where does that money come from and where does it go?
Ogama medin mono talo timu dilo me Northern Gateway unu dongo do attack pien utuni chawa me timu dilo man unu tia kwale do kwala chalo magoba moro ke kana tira tir pedung nuere endo chente meno tien wongo ducho ya cha mere mena new club me dekere gwej
compare me to Ginoga cannot deal with Hangwele Kongachi. You should have come the last day me Joshua where team to where deal to Loya.
Ya ogama telame timu dilo me Northern Gateway medu wel joame tia weko telame timu dilo koche ya kana notiye dokdo ariotwal yunge emechun kongdang ya weko tijero ko achalo president me akalo express chabira riame o karangech acho yamut melebe yako president me lobo Ivory Coast Olesano Tara me mwaka Pierre Borwia deke diro doko nyuru mirmela kwa niye ndoke chungu kwa chopi bedo president yera me abiretie dwe me apar me mwaka nim Otara okobini manano pero me yotkom petwero genge ni chung dok chung mere ubede de mit nyalo mele bo Ivory Coast lo bede kede kitame enemy lo bonacha kwe kede kede kono bede manano kokodang tie gede manano kuj kede chan tio balle tek total e kom karatini ni lo merem watara ko bini manano chike lo Ivory Coast ame obino yoyogo ye mo hatuda yo kede parwe bichalla me mago chung president piteme riom omi dogola me chung merdong e beru tuolo abo permaro keken report chimu man opola jo mo no nyuru ni meto ge me chung kede watara opon ge okocho omi watara tiedo ala yala kene me chung do gentini manana ada ko merem ikino chunga me opon kacho tie yere president John me lobo Ivory Coast kunacha Laurent Gbagbo prime minister John me kunacha Guillaume Soro karachika de minister John man Tijane Thiam cha Rio Woro Thiam kede chu chele me PM kede government Otara ucha attack total tama Otara me dok duogo pichunga cha president me lobo Ivory Coast kun kabeda maneno Mohamed dono miren wot woke kwae mere pacho kado ya mut mele bla tina winde de wi gadero no akobokin magem won kom charwel mela te okay me Uganda National Chamber of Commerce and Industries kwa government melo Uganda kan me poto ye khamelo Tanzania okato kede me gengo ko chonwale melo ba papat chato welo ka titino kuna cha mede welo nyik chemo pu achale Uganda kanu tikatemi yora racho twal amemiyo tader me Uganda pedong nuolem nywal logo me light focus no lese zumonyo lera City West Central Police Station otopongo lire koma bile mero gonyo ko chotino gi piera ngwena meno kumako petimo jame chukul otino kwan me school COTN Marni Honors meti lera City West Division ochako tich kele luangi meye komo mechem agina ma pera kredang jame moga me pugu gwen kache gweno chamo acho Chief Executive Officer Dokaran na pitimu dilme Northern Gateway Francis Ugema o ya wako tichani okokun kobni manu chene petian were yudilo galdo ka kwallo cha merem President Melobo Ivory Coast Alassane Ouattara memwaka Pierre Boro wia dektwal do kobni ene duogo komechung ekwira mekabollo idwe ma pare to ko popon jo amechung kere duju amaye ana maro doha kene winde de apoma tek Peter yiri winyo Unity FM tinin meda kele winyo kai